Ayan po sila, oh. Ayan, oh. Ah. Hello, monkey. How are you, monkey? May maliit siya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayan, nagagalit siya. Oh. Ayan, naghabol. Ayan, oh. Nagagalit siya. Oh. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng lapitan kasi medyo aggressive yung iba. Naghahanap ng kapagkain. Eh, look at that. Look at that. Gusto niya makipag-meet yung isa? Grabe. Ayan po si Mrs. Leo. Tuwan-tuwa sa pagkuha. Watch out your camera, maybe they will get it. Ayan po. Oh. Yan po yung isa. Oh, agaw. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. She's aggressive. You know. Don't be closer to her.
자기 찍었다고 공격하려고 그래.
Oh, look at that mga paps. Ay, 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 ay. No. He's trying to make it.
너무 최종만 얘는 여자 양컷이고 저 스노우는
Wala eh. Ayun yung ano niya. Batuto niya eh. Kuluntoy eh. Don't be closer, Sir Lee.
저 예민해.
Look at that. He wants.
흔들려고.
Hey, monkey. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Okay. So, yan muna nga paps at nalibang lang kami dito sa mga monkey na to. So, let's go sir, let's go because they became aggressive. They are hungry. Without food, they will be very aggressive. Get inside, get inside. They want to attack, you know. Oh, no, no, don't provoke, ma'am. Don't provoke.
이거 만나는 거 봐.
Look at that. Come inside, sir. Get inside, sir. Okay. Okay, that's it.